a home security system at home, right?
You need to speak to the person that was called before you got on the phone, that I was talking to before you got on the phone.
Okay. All right. So, uh, are you telling me that you do not have an alarm system, or you do have an alarm system?
I'm telling you, the person called me telling me what's going on, so you get the information from the person that transferred the call to you.
Unfortunately, that person is not with me right now, so I cannot check. Well, I just want to verify that because the thing is, if ever you already have an alarm system, we can actually upgrade your system for free, like
Oh,
the equipment itself.
okay, so I have an alarm system. Okay. Since
All right.
everything is free,
So
yeah, I have an alarm system.
yeah, we're just going to be upgrading the equipment.
Okay.
All right. So if ever we're going to be doing that, one thing is for sure, our technician will set up a new control panel. I believe the control panel that you have right now is outdated. Is your control panel connected to a phone line?
I don't know. You told me it's outdated, so you know what kind of system I have. You tell me.
All right, ma'am, it's like this. We are not actually from any monitoring company. We are from the manufacturer of the equipment that you're using.
Okay, what am
We
I
do not have.
using? What am I using?
I cannot see that here. The reason why I'm calling is just to ask.
You said you're from the manufacturer of the system I have. Now you telling me you
Mm-hmm.
calling to ask. It can't be both. It can be
No, the
both.
thing is, it's actually like this, ma'am. Again, we are from the manufacturer.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, the monitoring company will purchase our equipment. But
Okay,
the thing is, we do not have.
what monitoring company is gonna purchase the equipment?
We have ADT.
ADT?
Are you from ADT? Yes.
And you said, am I from ADT? No, I'm not from ADT. No, you called me. Hello? Hello? Hmm. They called to say they want to upgrade my alarm system at no charge. All the equipment is going to be free. And then they said they're calling from the manufacturer, but then want to ask me questions of who the manufacturer is. Now either they hung up, or they have me on hold, or they have me muted. I don't know which one it is. We'll see if the phone goes dead. Hmm. Looks like they hung up.